Wednesday, October 23rd. And then we can voice and news starts right now.
Choose one entree. Chicken breast with or without dinner roll, buffalo chicken breast, potato crunch fish fillet and buns, Big Daddy's cheese, or veggie pizza, sunburn and jelly sandwich, smoky meal lunch, hot vegetables, unlimited garden bar, and your choice of milk.
Everybody matters, even you. And don't say that you don't matter, because everybody does matter.
Hey guys, today's a high of 64 and a low of 36. See you tomorrow.
Hey, what are you guys studying for?
Oh, we're just studying for the geography bee.
Oh, when is it?
November 1st.
Oh, what is this too?
Oh, those are our questions.
Can I ask you guys some?
Yeah, sure.
Here, Grand Transverse Bay borders the lower peninsula of which state?
Michigan.
Yeah, correct. Carswell Caverns National Park is located in the Chicxulub Desert. In which state?
Is it New Mexico?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna check back on you guys in 30 minutes so you guys can check more questions.
Okay.
October is Friends of Homeless Animals Month for BAM Leo Club. BAM Leo Club is collecting food and treats for the Friends of Homeless Animals, a no-kill animal shelter in Aldie, Virginia. Please consider leaving a donation of cat or dog food anytime during the month of October in a basket outside Miss Browning's room, 614. Thanks!
Hey guys, it's Halloween countdown time. There are only 8 more days left to Halloween.
Did you know that the most popular Halloween costume is a princess or a superhero?
Whoa, that's crazy.
This fact comes from goodhousekeeping.com.
Bye, see you next time on Halloween Countdown.
Hey guys, today's Unity Day. Did you wear your orange? Hamilton Bears, join us in celebrating Unity Day on October 23rd and participating in our Falls Bullying Awareness Spirit Week. Stomp out bullying. Wear camo and boots to stomp out bullying.
It's trivia time, everybody. Today's question is, what's the longest river in the world? Is it A, the Mississippi, B, the Rhine, C, the Nile, or D, the Amazon? The correct answer is C, the Nile.
Today's Wednesday, October 23rd, and today is National Boston Cream Pie Day.
Yo!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
No bell.
Nobel who?
No bell. That's why I knock.
That's a knee slapper.
Now it's time for Josh Talk. Today I feel really great because today is Unity Day and I hope we can spread some kindness and put an end to bullying. Okay, Josh.
Spread some kindness.
That's it for today. Don't forget to create, lead, inspire, motivate, and believe. Let's time together. Have a wonderful